The mystery of avocado skin revealed. What really happens under the microscope? We're about to embark on a journey into the unseen world. We'll uncover the surprising secrets of avocado skin. Get ready, because our microscopic adventure is about to begin. Part 1. The mystery of dry brown spots. Those dry brown spots we saw at the beginning of the video are what are called aging lenticels. Avocados have natural pores called lenticels. These pores are the fruit's airways, and sudden changes in temperature can damage and cause the cells around these pores to die naturally. To protect these small wounds, the plant fills them with a substance called suberin. Suberin is a waxy substance that functions to close wounds. Now, this waxy substance is brown and looks dry. These spots could be the marks left by tiny insect needles that have bitten the skin, which then dried out. And it could be chilling injury. Avocados are tropical fruits that hate temperatures that are too cold. If stored in the refrigerator at too low a temperature, the skin can become stressed and develop dry brown spots, just like these. Part 2. A green color palette that decides the eye. It turns out the green color is uneven, from pale green, light green, to dark green. The green color of avocado skin comes from a pigment called chlorophyll. This chlorophyll lives in small organelles and cells called chloroplasts. Well, the difference in green color intensity seen under a microscope is actually a density map of the number of chloroplasts. Dark green, that's where the epidermis and parenchyma cells of the avocado are filled with chloroplasts. In the light green area, the distance between chloroplasts is looser, and the pale green area, it is the zone where the chloroplasts are the least numerous, or perhaps the cells are a little older. Part 3. The optical magic of a brown scar turning to bright yellow. Under a microscope, the brown color partially turns bright yellow. An enzyme called polyphenol oxidase encounters a phenolic compound. The reaction, with the help of oxygen from the air, produces the brown pigment melanin. This melanin is a protective barrier against infection. Now, we use a very powerful and focused microscope light. When this light penetrates the thin wound tissue, optical chaos occurs. It absorbs most of the blue and red light spectrum, but scatters and transmits the yellow spectrum more predominantly. Part 4. The Gate of Darkness, a black wound that rejects the light. In some areas of the skin, the pitch-black lesions resist the light of a microscope. This is where complete necrosis has occurred. In these pitch-black lesions, the concentration of melanin pigment is at its highest. Polyphenol oxidation occurs extensively, creating a dense, dark molecular barrier. Melanin is known to absorb ultraviolet light. Part 5. The secret map, irregular lines that are always connected. We'll notice an irregular, random pattern of lines at 4 minutes and 52.3 seconds. This is the network of latex vessels and fine venation in the exocarp. These lines are tiny channels filled with sap-rich and defense compounds, such as alkaloids and enzymes, ready to leak out if injured. Part 6. The rare white ghost. We find a small white patch of avocado skin at 1 minute and 53.8 seconds. There are 4 possibilities. First, it could be a trichome, which is a tiny hair that sometimes remains. Second, it could be a very thick accumulation of epicuticular wax in the form of microcrystals. Third, it could be physiological damage that has caused the cells in that area to lose their ability to produce chlorophyll. And fourth, it could be a white surface fungus. Part 7. Brown shadows over health. We notice a thin, light brown patch on the avocado skin. It's faint, like a shadow, not a dry spot at 5 minutes and 13.7 seconds. A browning reaction is about to occur in this thin patch. Some cells in the area are damaged, possibly a defense response to a pathogen that has just attempted to enter. The avocado's immune system reacts locally, creating a light brown quarantine zone to limit the spread. Part 8. The paradox of thin skin and thick flesh. Here are some scientific reasons why avocados have such thin skins. First, the avocado plant, Persea americana, is divided into 3 main races. The Mexican race, which has a very thin, smooth, and shiny skin. The Guatemalan and West Indies races have thick, hard, and rough, bumpy skin. Second, during ripening, avocados produce ethylene gas and undergo very high levels of cellular respiration. The thin skin helps speed up the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide, allowing the fruit to ripen naturally and evenly. Third, avocados maintain a minimal outer skin layer, yet are rich in protective compounds such as flavonoid antioxidants and tannins, which ward off pests despite their thinness. So, there you have it, a seemingly ordinary piece of avocado skin, when we pause and look closer, turns out to contain a complete universe. If you were amazed by this journey and would like us to uncover the mysteries of other simple objects, write in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video, please share it with your friends and don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing science adventures. See you in the next mystery.